Good morning, I'm Avishka Thadani, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, we will cover what's going on in Brazil where a ban on Elon Musk's X took place. Safety first, OpenAI and Anthropic's new model will go through pre-release testing. Flipkart teases Big Billion Days 2024. HP collaborates with Nvidia to introduce gaming laptops which is tailor-made for students. WhatsApp's Meta AI may soon get voice chat mode enabled. We will talk about HMD phases out Nokia X30 with new Skyline model, and finally about OnePlus 13, which may launch sooner than expected, what we know so far. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you a question which was, what does HTTP usually mean? And the answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's time for our daily tech question. Here's today's question. Who's considered the father of artificial intelligence? Think you know the answer? We want to hear it from you. Leave your guess in the comments below. We'll reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's bulletin. So stay tuned to see what you've got. Starting with the first news. Brazil has banned Elon Musk's social media platform X after it failed to comply with country's laws. The ban was enforced by Justice Alexandra de Moraes of the Supreme Court, to which Musk was also given a 24-hour ultimatum to appoint a legal representative in Brazil. Musk was unhappy with the ruling, accused the judge of attacking free speech. Despite the final court decision pending, X is already inaccessible in Brazil, with users turning to alternatives like Threads and Blue Sky. The conflict stems from months of tension, starting when X resisted orders to block accounts accused of spreading disinformation. This showdown between X and Brazil echoes Twitter's past struggles with the Indian government over similar issues. Moving on to the next news, we have OpenAI and Anthropic have agreed to have their upcoming AI model tested for safety by the US AI Safety Institute before releasing them to the public. The collaboration allows Institute to assess potential risks and suggest improvements. The move is a part of broader effort to ensure that AI models are safe and reliable, following an executive order by President Biden in 2023. This could set a precedent for other countries like India to require similar safety evaluations before AI models are made public. Then we have Flipkart, which has officially teased its biggest sale of the year, the Big Billion Days 2024, which is set to kick off in September 29 for Plus members and September 30 for everyone else. Known for massive discount on electronics, fashion and more, the sale is perfectly timed for the festive season. Expect up to 5% discount for Flipkart Axis Bank credit card users, special offers through Flipkart Pay Later and additional discount using Supercoins. If you are eyeing a new smartphone, especially a flagship model, it might be worth waiting for this sale. Keep an eye out for similar deals from Amazon's Great Indian Festival, which will follow soon after. Now we have HP has introduced the Victus Speed Edition, a budget gaming laptop priced at $65,999, aimed at students. HP has collaborated with Nvidia to introduce gaming laptops which is tailor-made for students. This laptop features a 15.6-inch 180-pixel display with 144Hz refresh rate, powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core processor and Nvidia G4 RTX 3050 graphics card. It includes 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage. Notable features are Omen Tempest cooling solution and a 70 watts battery designed for sustained performance. Purchases from HP stores come with option to buy a HyperX Cloud Stringer 2-set headset for Rs. 499. HP's Vineet Gehani and Nvidia's Vishal Dhupar highlighted the laptop's role in enhancing academic and creative work. The Victus Special Edition will be available through HP World Stores, HP Online and multi-brand outlets. Now we have WhatsApp, which is reportedly testing a new feature that could bring voice chat capabilities to its Meta AI chatbot. According to WhatsApp Beta Info, the voice chat mode was spotted in the WhatsApp Beta for Android and could soon roll out to all users. This feature will allow users to have real-time conversation with Meta AI using voice command, making interactions faster and more natural. Additionally, WhatsApp may introduce a shortcut to quickly activate the voice chat mode, along with the ability to manually turn it on or off. This update could enhance how users interact with Meta AI, offering a more personalized experience. Then we have HMD, which is gradually phasing out its Nokia lineup, with Nokia X30 being replaced by new entry-level mid-range model under Skyline series. According to leaks, the Skyline model will adopt a similar body design but with some changes. It will feature a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, a slight downgrade from the latest Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. This camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor, 1MP telephoto and 8MP ultra-wide lens. This device is expected to have a 6.55 Full HD OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage and a 4700 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. This release might coincide with the IFA event this Thursday. At last, we have the OnePlus 13 is rumored to launch as early as October, earlier than the usual December release. According to Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station, this upcoming flagship might be the first to feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, expected to be announced at the Snapdragon Summit in Hawaii. Design-wise, the OnePlus 13 is set to introduce vertically stacked near cameras in the top left corner, moving away from the circular layout seen in previous models. One of the cameras will feature a wider ring, adding a unique touch to the design. The camera module will also carry a Hasselblad branding, hinting at significant camera improvement. The OnePlus 13 is likely to launch first in China, followed by the release in India. While these leaks are promising, we will need to wait for the official announcement from OnePlus to confirm the details. That was about today's news. I'll see you again in another episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice.